Hi everyone, welcome back to Business Tech Weekly with D2NA. This week it's our monthly Tech Engineer Spotlight. And welcome to this overview of Teams. Teams is Microsoft's latest communications product. It's absolutely designed to replace Skype for Business, but it has so many more features inside it than Skype for Business, and actually gives you reason to keep it open all the time in the background. So let's jump right in and have a quick look at the features. This is the main screen. This is the environment window that you will normally work in. As you can see here, you've got your different views within Teams down the left-hand side. We're in the chat window here, so I can see all our team members, whoever I'd like to chat with. And what's great is we can quite quickly see what status they are, whether they're away or busy or at their desk. On the right-hand side is our conversation with that individual. As you can see, I've had a little conversation with Charles this morning as I've been preparing this video. We can also have a look at any files that we've been perhaps sharing with each other and any previous activity. It's really easy to type a message, so we just jump straight in and say, "Hi Chaz, are you free for video?" and send that. Great thing is that we can add a lot more features in here, so we can plan a message, plan a meeting, sorry, we can plan, we can add videos, etc. What I can do is I can quickly, from this window, either place a voice call to Chaz or a video call. So quite easy, simple inside this video, and get Chaz hopefully to answer. All within this environment. So there's Chaz. Hi, Chaz.
Oh, hey, Matt. How are you?
Great. Thanks very much. So that's the kind of the main functionality. The great thing is we can bring other people into this chat quite easily by clicking on that button. And whilst you're in a video call as well, you can also do the same thing. Just like Skype for Business, you can schedule video calls and schedule meetings and add them into your Outlook calendar and that kind of thing. So that's really helpful. So we move on to the Teams section, and this is where really Teams really starts to come into its own over and above Skype for Business. There is a feed here, as you can see, but the great thing is it links out to different applications as well as just being its own communications environment. So you can see here, I've completed a Wunderlist task, and that actually shows in the feed. You can see that I've added a Power BI tab here, and that's a running commentary of what I've done. But as we move through these tabs across the top, what we can see is that I've added a SharePoint tab here. So rather than having to break out of Teams and go on to a browser and go through our SharePoint files, I can quite easily pick up any SharePoint files within this environment and open them, or I can go straight out and open them in SharePoint, download, etc. And I can even upload files here, so really simple. Another great feature is I can link out to something like, say, Power BI. So here's a tab that I've had set up, linking to our opportunities report in Power BI. And we can interact with this Power BI report exactly the same as we would online. So we can do lots of different things, and we can slice to different things, just like you would be able to do on a normal Power BI report. And from within here, we can do lots of great things. So I can actually add different feeds in here. So I can add a tab. If I want to add a OneNote note in here, a document, we can put a Word document in here. And it's not just Microsoft products either. There's an actual quite a significant kind of marketplace of applications that we can add. So we can link out to a Wrike list. We can connect to Zendesk, SurveyMonkeys, it's really, really powerful to be able to add these different feeds in, because if you're using all these different applications, you can really start to bring these together and use them collaboratively as part of a team. So that is really good. Obviously, within here, we've got our specific conversations and other things, and then each of those reports to different teams. If you're all in that specific team, you automatically get to see everything within that team. It's a great way to add company information. You can link to SharePoint news, really, really powerful. We can also link to, we can bring up our meeting screen, which shows what meetings we have today. I can schedule a meeting. I can join if it's a Teams meeting. So that's really useful rather than having to go out of here into Outlook. And we can also look at files, so those previous files that I've used, and I can even again link out to different cloud storage systems. This is something that Microsoft's never been really good at, but this is a great way to be able to bring all those different storage systems together and really start to be able to use these collaboratively. Again, here we can add our streams to this left-hand side, so we can add different Microsoft things. We've also got a store here, so I can add an Adobe Creative Cloud link, and that will appear on everybody's. So really, really collaborative, really feature-rich, and our company's been using this for a year or so now, and it's really changed the way that we're able to work collaboratively with each other. I hope that helps. It's a really quick overview. If there's any questions, obviously, please do get in touch. But this is Microsoft Teams. If you want to get in touch and ask more questions about what Teams can do for you and your business, then please get in touch. You can use the links below on YouTube. You can get in touch with us on LinkedIn or Facebook, and you can even send us a tweet to @D2NA. Send us an email to d2vlog@d2na.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for the next installment.